In GA4 About Events, there are several types of events like automatically collected events, enhanced measurement events, recommended events, custom events, and there are GA4 recommended events. These are Google recommended events that are commonly used for all types of business. Also, these events are useful for tracking retail, e-commerce, education, real estate and travel. Also for lead generation and for games. For your convenience, I will include all the link in the description below. Inshallah, in this video, I will discuss custom events. Let's break down in simple way. We will create a custom event when we say the automatically collected events, enhanced measurement events, recommended events are not being collected, but if it's important for our business, in that case, we will create a custom event. For example, we want to track how many visitors click on phone number, navigate to Google Tag Manager, and at first must be enable this variable. Then move on triggers, new tag configuration. We see here for click to type trigger all elements and just link. Element means the different parts of website like photos, buttons, videos, text, forms and links. When we select all elements, it will trigger photos, text, links, forms, button, all everything. And when we select just link, it will trigger only link. We want to track when someone clicks on the phone number. The phone number is a text but has a link in the backend. That's why when someone clicks on phone number, they are taken to the next step to make a call. So we select just link. And here two options, all link clicks and some link clicks. If we select all link, visitor click any links, its phone number or mail on the website, the trigger will fire. If we want to track any specific link click, that's the time we select some link clicks. At first, we will select all link clicks, then we will edit it again. Let's the trigger name. Then save. It's time to go preview. Must be here your website URL. Then connect. Click on phone number. Then move on tag assistant. Continue. We see here link click event. Click on link click, then move to variable. As a click text, come in this our phone number and click URL. Now we make a trigger this variable. Back to Google Tag Manager and move on trigger and click on which trigger we created for link clicks and click here. Previously we created a trigger for all links, which means it would be fired even when a visitor clicked on mail. Let's see this. Also here mail variable. Now we want to create this trigger that fires only when a visitor click on phone number. So it's time to select some link clicks and click on plus icon. Select click URL contains equal and move to tag assistant and copy this variable as it is. Back to Google Tag Manager and paste here. Then save. Now we create tag. New tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event and paste here GA4 measurement ID. Event name. Let's go. GA4 recommended events and find out phone number click events. Unfortunately, we could not find a built-in event for phone number click. So this will be a custom event. Let's name the event as we like. But remember, must be following Google recommended events format. That means the event name must be lowercase. Google loves that format. Then event parameter, add parameter. Also event parameter name following event name format. Now select value and select click URL. Now triggering and select the trigger that we created for this event. Let's the tag name. Then save. Now test everything. Go to preview and continue. Click on phone number. GA4 phone click tag fired. Also here. Go to GA4, then debug view, and also here phone number click. Click text and phone number. That's it.